This video demonstrates a mobile application that allows collaborative techniques for guided data analysis on augmented reality visualizations. There are 3 different modes of visualizations available: a T-SNE projection, scatterplot, and a 3D model. First, we demonstrate placing the visualization. Both the data visualizations or 3D model can be placed one at a time on a detected horizontal plane. Next, we use traditional 3D transformation tools, including translating via pen gesture, rotating using on-screen buttons, and scaling via pinch gesture. These transformations can be applied to any of the visualizations. To reduce occlusion in a T-SNE or scatterplot visualization, the opacity of data points can be lowered by tapping on them. Tapping on the data point again will revert it back to full opacity. The pan gesture can also be toggled to lower the opacity of multiple data points in quick succession. Here, the orange cluster can be hidden quickly by performing the pan gesture on that cluster. Bookmarks can be placed to help keep track of any insights in 3D space while exploring a visualization. In this example, an outlier and cluster disparity is spotted. When a bookmark is placed, text annotations can also be added. These bookmarks can be used on any of the visualizations. Additionally, voice annotations can be added.
Spotted a cluster of 3. Let's investigate.
Then tapping on a bookmark will reveal the text annotation, as well as play any voice annotation that was added.
Spotted a cluster of 3. Let's investigate.
When a text annotation is revealed, it can also be edited by tapping on a text box. The following 2 features are specific to the scatterplot. First, the axes labels can be toggled by tapping on them. Then, the feature of providing guidance are the skagnostics. The orange segments of the ring below indicate one or many patterns, suggesting an interesting view at around that angle. The values here suggest a stringy pattern. To encode history, the ring segments indicate the angles that have been visited. The visited angles will disappear, but traversing too quickly will not cause the segments to disappear. Insights can be shared in 2 ways. First is the session report, which is saved on a device as a PDF and images. Using Apple's file sharing system, the files can be shared in any application, as well as airdropped. First, the session report contains the insights for each bookmark that was created. This includes the screenshots of the camera's view at the instant the bookmark was created, as well as the text annotations. The images are also saved in the same directory. The second way of sharing insights is by exporting the bookmarks in the form of a JSON file. Another user can use the application to import the JSON file. The imported bookmarks will be colored blue to differentiate from the user-created bookmarks. They can also contain any text annotations. The user can now see the insights made from the original user.